So we are recording now. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the special daily angel practice on this auspicious day of Mahashivratri. I wonder what is it that the angels have for us. How many of you over here have Shiva as one of your guardian angels or your, god or goddess that contributes to you, your contributing energy? Wow, I can see a lot of you. Awesome. So let's see what can we receive from this auspicious day today. Shiva is the energy of destruction as well. And a lot of people resist destruction. A lot of people don't want to see destruction. They don't want to see things being destroyed yet. When something gets destroyed, it also creates a space for new creation. And that is why it is so important. What if in India, we have these beautiful ways and stories through which important messages has been put to us? What if, like Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh is actually a way of our ancestors telling us, talking to us about the creation, the preservation, and the destruction of energy. And once, and I would say matter, not energy, because energy is not destroyed. And once something is destroyed, it creates a space for new creation. So I wonder what all are we ready to destroy today? How many of you are ready to destroy your limitations, destroy your lack, destroy your everything that is blocking you from receiving more in life? So let's get started with today's meditation. Everybody, let's just put your hands on your heart. Close your eyes. Take a long, deep breath in and let go. Breathe in from your nose, breathe out from your mouth 3 times. And as you start breathing normally, observe every breath going deeper and deeper. Your eyes are closed. Your physical body is beginning to relax. Your mind is becoming quiet and calm. As you are becoming more and more relaxed with each and every breath you take, allow yourself to release all the stress, all the tension. And now just allow yourself to expand in all the directions, up, around, and below, connecting with the energy of the earth, receiving from the Mother Earth, connecting with the energy of the universe, receiving from the universe. And today, connecting with the energy of Shiva. Whatever this energy is for you, what does Shiva mean to you? Allow yourself to receive all of that and more. Everywhere you are aware of the aggression, the passion, the power you are and you have. Allow yourself to claim that and own that and acknowledge that. And everywhere in this life or any other lifetime, you gave up all of that as you tried to fit into this reality. let go of all of that. Allow yourself to receive. Allow yourself to receive from the Shiva energy. With every breath, expand, expand, and expand. And connect with the awareness that Shiva is. Connect with the wisdom that Shiva is. Connect with the power that Shiva is. And allow yourself to receive it right from the top of your head, all the way down through every chakra, your crown chakra, your third eye chakra. Feel the vibration at your crown chakra and your third eye chakra and your throat chakra and your heart chakra. And your solar plexus, and your sacral chakra, and your root chakra. All the way from your root chakra, receiving the energy from the Mother Earth, the Shakti, the feminine power, all the way to your root chakra. Experience massive explosion of red energy as the Shiva and the Shakti, the universal energy and the feminine motherly earth energy comes together at your root chakra, igniting, initiating the energy from your root chakra that rises above your root chakra all the way up to your sacral chakra, igniting the bright orange energy of creation, activating your sacral chakra, igniting bright orange energy. And this energy expands and moves upwards towards your solar plexus, creating bright yellow energy at your solar plexus, the fire within you, the power that you are. Activating your solar plexus and moving up to your heart, igniting bright green energy of healing and harmony. And as your heart chakra expands, it fills you up with compassion and healing. As this energy moves up, moving towards your throat, activating your throat chakra, igniting bright, light blue light, activating your throat chakra, healing, and filling you up with self-expression and this energy moves up to your third eye, activating your third eye chakra, igniting bright blue, dark blue light, activating your clairvoyance, your power of actualization and awareness, moving up to your crown, activating your crown chakra, igniting bright white light with sparkles of purple, opening up your crown chakra like multiple petals of lotus, expanding and ever expanding into higher realms, connecting you to the higher dimensions, to your own higher self, to your own creator, preserver, and destroyer. Stay in this bliss. Stay in this nothingness, in this silence. Allow yourself to just float, just enjoy. Thanking Lord Shiva for this divine guided meditation. Thanking the universe, the Mother Earth, and all the energies that are contributing to you right now. Some of you may experience the gush of energy flowing through your body for longer than now, and some of you may not, and both is okay. Just allow yourself to release and allow yourself to receive. And whenever you are ready, take all your time. And only when you feel you're ready, you can take your attention to your physical body, be present with your physical body. And open your eyes only when you feel like opening. This is so magical. Gratitude, amazing meditation, gratitude, feeling very light. Yeah, Shilpa is writing, I learned in the hard way destruction of a certain aspect was required to grow and have new beginning. Totally, yes. Shiva and Shakti, thank you so much. All right, relaxing, lot of intense release. Om Namah Shivaya. Yes, gratitude. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you to each and every one of you. This is Shilpa saying so divine. Thank you so much. So relaxing and involving. Yes. Cool. Just let me know if any one of you would like to share, if any one of you would like to ask for divine angelic blessing before we say bye to everyone. Tears rolled down, gratitude. Awesome. Kept seeing burst of colors. Amazing. Thank you. Awesome. I can see a lot of you already in the space. It's actually so much of silence. I didn't even want to say anything after it. So what I'll do is I will let you guys be with this energy. And if you want, you guys can sleep over after this and let this, because I can still feel a lot of energy is flowing with a lot of you, so let's stay in the silence and let's stay with this, flow of energy. I am not gonna ask you guys to unmute, just quietly in your space, silent space. Let us all give divine angelic blessings to Triparna and her family. Okay, so divine angelic blessings to you, Triparna, and your family for everything you guys are seeking. And divine angelic blessing to Mosmi for having an amazing health. Latika says, very wonderful, no words, Shree, tears are rolling down. Awesome. Awesome, 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 awesome. Awesome, guys. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Stay in this space. I love you all. And I'll see you guys tomorrow again. Bye-bye.